Okay, so it depends of the campus, okay, and it depends of the program as well. So just to give you an orientation, if you do a bachelor degree in Barcelona, Munich, the tuition fee per semester will be 6,000 euros, so approximately per year 12,900 euros. In Switzerland it's different because Switzerland you have the Swiss francs, so it's around 27,000 Swiss francs. And then for the Masters and MBA, the tuition fee in Barcelona, it's around 14,000 euros, while in Switzerland it's 25,000.
And can students, after they graduate, can they stay?
Yeah.
What opportunities?
So Europe, as you know, we have a problem with the population. The population is aging so fast, and we don't have new professionals to occupy certain business positions. So in Spain, we have the job-seeking visa for 12 months, and in Germany we have it for 18 months. Switzerland don't have a job-seeking visa because even for Europeans, they are looking for the best of the best. So they are super restricted with this. But at the end, a lot of students, especially from Belarus, they come first to Switzerland and then they switch to the other campuses to have this opportunity to stay back after the program.
So they can stay 1 year in Spain or 18 months in Munich, and then they can get
to search a job. And if they find a job, they can change for working permission.
And then how many years it takes to get a permanent residency? Or
usually it's 5 years. Okay, so I mean, first you obtain the working permission for 1 year, then you need to renew it, and they give you one for 3 years, and then you need to renew it again for permanent visa.
And how people can apply? What documents do they need? For example, bachelor.
Okay, so for bachelor, I'm going to tell you like very generic. We have, of course, the transcripts and the high school degree. We need to have a proof of English level that is usually TOEFL, IELTS, or Cambridge. For the IELTS, we require 6. If the student 6 is equally of a B2 level, more or less. If they don't have this, they need to apply first for a foundation program that is 1 semester program to reach the communication skills and so on to access to the bachelor, and then it's like recommendation letter, writing a video essay, and then for the masters and MBA, the requirements is bachelor degree and transcripts, and for the English we require a higher level. 6.5 to what you IELTS. If not, same, they go to foundation.
And how selective are you? Like,
well, we do two filters when we are doing our admission process. The first is that the recruitment person that you're going to have as main contact, we receive all the documents and we make sure that all the applications have the minimum eligibility requirements. Then we send it to our admission department. In our admission department, the admission board takes around 1 week and giving the answer. We have around 75% of the students that apply have the admission, but it's because of this dual filter that we have.
Do you have some scholarship, any scholarships or financial
We
aid or
do
something
have,
like
but they are merit-based scholarships. So you need to have a minimum of 3.5 GPA in equivalent in your grades, and then another minimum requirements like IELTS should be higher. And because we believe a scholarship is an award that you receive for something differential that you have. So we actually try to make sure that you really deserve this and that you have an outstanding profile. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much for the interview. Thank you.
Thank you.